How to get first element in a list of tuples. I have a list like below where the first element is the id and the other is a string. I want to create a list of ids only from this list of tuples as below. I'll use this list in underscore in, so it needs to be a list of integer values.
Use the zip function to decouple elements. Edit, at Brad Solomon, the above works for Python 2.x, where zip returns a list. In Python 3.x, zip returns an iterator and the following is equivalent to the above.
Do you mean something like this? What you actually have is a list of tuple objects, not a list of sets, as your original question implied. If it is actually a list of sets, then there is no first element because sets have no order. Here I've created a flat list because generally that seems more useful than creating a list of one-element tuples. However, you can easily create a list of one-element tuples by just replacing sec0 with sec0.
I was thinking that it might be useful to compare the runtimes of the different approaches, so I made a benchmark, using simple underscore benchmark library. Benchmark having tuples with two elements. As you may expect, to select the first element from tuples by index 0 shows to be the fastest solution, very close to the unpacking solution by expecting exactly two values. Benchmark having tuples with two or more elements.